Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious macaroni fruit salad. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of elbow macaroni, 1 large can of fruit cocktail, 1 small can of condensed milk, and 1 carton of all-purpose cream. Make sure your fruit cocktail is well drained to avoid a watery consistency. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion. Next, let's prepare the macaroni. Bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, adding a small pinch of salt. Introduce 1 cup of elbow macaroni and cook it for approximately 7 to 10 minutes, or until it reaches an al dente texture. Once cooked, drain the macaroni completely and rinse it under cold running water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. Now for the fun part, mixing everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled, drained macaroni with the well-drained fruit cocktail. Next, pour in 1 small can of condensed milk and 1 carton of all-purpose cream. Using a spatula, gently fold all the ingredients until they are thoroughly combined, and the macaroni and fruit are evenly coated with the creamy dressing. Finally, it's time to chill and serve your delightful macaroni fruit salad. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. This chilling period allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your cold, creamy macaroni fruit salad as a refreshing dessert or a sweet side dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.